It's absolutely buzzing over here. This is exactly what we want. We want people talking. We want the world to get to know the CGIAR to get to know the world, right? That's the only way we're going to be successful on these digital innovations. So this is right now all of the Inspire projects that we're going to be funding, some of them. There's going to be a competition tomorrow. This is them giving their pitches, talking to people, answering questions, and let's go and check them out.
So what are we doing? We're working with network-connected solar pumps to provide the first real-time East African Live groundwater use database. It'll be real good.
Hi everyone, I'm representing QBK, and QBK is a very intelligent digital advisory solution that we plan to connect with 5 million people.
Farmers are thrown into a state of anxiety on weather predictions, and we have come up with a solution by gamifying weather predictions. We crowdsource weather data, and then we shall validate it and be able to tell when is it the best time to plant, when is the best time to put such specific crops in the soil, and we're trying to make farming cool for all audiences, from youth ranging all the way to older people through a game. So we're gamifying weather predictions. That's what we're doing.
Hi, my name is Elise Dykstra and I'm the Nepal Country Manager for Viamo. We have a project called Link It with Simit, where we're connecting farmers to different actors in the value chain to empower them to have access and be able to sell their goods in markets.
Farmer's fish are dying. He has 2 questions he needs answering. Where did it come from? How do I stop it from happening again? We're using machine learning to give him those answers quickly in real time. We're from UQ and World Fish.
Hey, my name is Joram Kabach from Twiga Foods, and my partner is
Mark Lundy from CGIAR.
Okay, a little background about Twiga. Twiga is a business-to-business enterprise started in 2014. It is currently dealing in fresh foods and vegetables in Nairobi, Kenya. We are working with about 30,000 farmers and 14,000 traditional vendors. So together we hope to gather and analyze data into consumer and about consumer and wholesale markets, about fresh foods and vegetable flow and consumption. With this data, we hope to optimize the Twiga business model, provide improved value to producers and consumers, and CGIAR hopes to also understand how to efficiently provide healthier foods to low-income population and increase their consumption. Ultimately, we aim to take these lessons and replicate them in subsequent African cities where Twiga intends to be in the next 5 years.
Yeah, so malnutrition is a global problem. We don't really understand it. So what we want to do is really fill in those data gaps. So what we're going to do using spontaneous crowdsourcing of data is ask people to give the information on what they've been eating, where they've been getting it from, and who's eating it in their household. So with this, we can get some data-driven insights into dietary diversity and malnutrition, and really help some timely interventions by both individuals, social enterprises, and governments. So this is citizen H squared D cubed.
I don't know about you, but I'm pitched out. Let's take a break. Let's do something different. So here at lunchtime, there's also a drone demonstration. Let's go and check that one out. With these drones, they're doing, in the morning they use these hyperspectral drones and they go out and check the crops for like pest diseases problems. And then in the afternoon they send another drone up that's got the precision pesticide application, and they kind of then can spray. So I've spotted a robot. Let's figure this one out. Okay, so I can see some robots here. I'm really interested in this. So what do these robots do?
So this is basically designed for three different things in agriculture. One is seeding, precision weeding and spraying. So these three things it can do autonomously.
Tracking fish in food systems, really the crux of it is filling an enormous data gap by basically using really cool new tech that tracks high resolution movements of fishing boats, combining that with catch data, and then seeing if we can scale from Timor, a tiny island nation, to 7 other countries around the world.
So, Inspire pitches about climate information service to manage climate risk. Our real proposal, the crux of our proposal is a new methodology to apply gamification and machine learning to scale up proven efforts that have emerged from our ISAT work in collaboration with Microsoft.
Are you ready? So, hello YouTube. So, is our project is set, and we installed free Wi-Fi in traditional Vietnamese markets in order to reveal informal food flow.
I'm Oscar. And I'm Gordon. And we're working on the problem of machine learning for smarter seed selection. So the thing that we've been working on is how to recommend a farmer which maize harvest plants.
So what we are doing, we are combining the field data from the CIMIC and all the data relevant for the agriculture from open source.
So we managed to raise the yields 3 tons per hectare and at the same time decrease the risk. And what we want to do next is take over the world.
And how we do that? By using portfolio optimization to give us the best estimate of the combination and the percentage of the yield at the specific location.
It's smartseeds.biosense.rs. Bye.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hopton from Village Infrastructure, and we have the program One Village, One Mill, and we're empowering women in rural areas to have agro-processing things like mills, rice mills, corn mills, and cassava and coconut mills. So we're also working with electrification, and we're using big data to work out where these people are located.
So we're trying to develop an AI assistant through Plant Village that helps smallholder farmers in Africa get access to human-level diagnostic services offline, and also providing advice so they can make decisions about what to do next.
Hello everyone, our idea is basically we want to use daily meal pictures to assess and improve the dietary quality of vulnerable populations, with a particular emphasis on women and children. So why pictures? Because pictures are simple, in real time, they can provide precise information, and we can capture dietary patterns over weekly, for example, for 7 days. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm Noam David, the founder of Atmosphere Labs. Atmosphere Labs specializes in developing software for environmental monitoring and rainfall monitoring using cell phone tower signals. My colleague.
I'm Yin Liu, a senior research fellow with IPRI, and I'm using this technology for the real-world application. Particularly, we use it to develop an insurance product in developing countries.
Climate is the anthem for farmers being overwhelmed by the many digital services, as we need to learn from the farmer how we can build better digital services.
So essentially, Farmers Friend is a dedicated mobile device utilizing AI data to provide user-friendly insights, information, and guidance. Everything he or she needs to
so good.